Okay, for those of you that have LED shop lights like I do, this particular one is a Maxlite. And after a couple months, this is what you have. Drove me nuts. And so I decided to tear one apart, being a little on the handy side with electronics. This is the board for the LED driver. This is the actual driver type. Found no information on the internet, just very vague stuff. Now this switching power supply is pretty bare bones on top. Only one filter cap, which I changed. It still had the problem. Long story short, on the bootstrap circuit for this chip, coming off one of the secondaries of the transformer, there's a fast recovery diode that was surface mounted right here. I replaced that with an FR-107 fast recovery diode out of another supply. I figured, what the hell, I got nothing to lose. And lo and behold, flashing went away. I've had this one running for about a good half hour after I changed it. I think it's pretty much a done deal that it's fixed. I hope this helps other people. These lights are only about $16 a piece, but if you got to keep changing them every couple months, it gets very aggravating. Hopefully this will save you guys some time and frustration.